Let's turn it around. Can you be unhappy in a relationship? Often, if you are single, people don't understand how you cope. Why haven't you found your other half? In life, we do most things alone. You just don't think about it. You brush your teeth alone. You go to the toilet alone. You wash yourself alone. You sleep alone. You can sleep next to someone, but you're sleeping alone. So you still do everything alone. Many people search for their second half. But your second half is within yourself. You just have to find it. When you have found it, you are ready for a true connection. And then you will automatically attract someone who resonates with your vibration. So yes, you can be happy single. And of course, many people are happy in relationships.